Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your email on Raid Shadow Legends. So all you need to do, first of all, is just go and download Raid Shadow Legend. If you don't have it on your phone, of course, you can go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using, right? Anyway, so then you would like to go and open the game, log in into your account, or if you are new at the game, you would like to create an account by clicking at starting a new game. Then of course follow the steps of tutorial to start following this tutorial correctly. So let's say as an example you already do that. So for me, I'm just going here to open my Raid Shadow Legend application or game, and as you can see, that will actually be my home or my main screen on the game. So of course, if I want to change my email, I have just one option. Just go here and click at your icon at the top left corner, and as you can see from here, if you are connected to Plarium ID or Facebook, that will be the greatest thing you will have. So of course, if you want to change your ID, you cannot change, or sorry, your email, you cannot change it from the game. You will need to go to Plarium ID, like website, or if you are connected with Facebook, you will need to go to the Facebook website. So of course, let me just go here and open like a browser. Let me just search for Google. Okay, let me try to open a browser and coming back. Okay, here is my browser here. Let me just go and open it. And of course, from here, all I need to do, just go and type Plarium. And here is it. Just go type it right here. And as you can see, I'll find it right here. So of course, open the official website. And from here, you would like to log in, then go to the settings. And of course, those are not the settings. So first of all, let me just go here and choose, wait, like use this as a desktop site to do not get confused. So of course, from here, as we said, we would like to log in into our account. Or if you don't find how to log in, just go here to community and click add support. So of course, from this support, you'll need from here to choose the Raid Shadow Legend game. And of course, they will take you to the supports directly. So here, just type, of course, your current email that you're using and subject, describe their problem, and then of course fill all of those other things and click at submit, and make sure they will contact you and they will like provide you with the steps on how to change your email address. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.